Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. It's called Suddha Odia, which means pure, authentic Odia cuisine. Now I'm from Odisha. I moved to USA long time ago. Regardless of how long I have been living here in the US, I am a Khanti pure Odia in heart. And I love our culture, I love our cuisine and everything. If you are a millennial or a Gen Z and living outside Odisha, India, and have hard time understanding and speaking in Odia, but you love the Odia cuisine, Odia food, this is the channel. I'm going to share some unique, really homemade, nothing special, but really homemade, authentic Odia recipes that you can simply follow and make it yourself. And also, you young ones can add your own twist to it as well. Sounds good? I'm actually inspired by my twins who left for college last year, and once they lived on their own, obviously they missed the home cooked meal, and they try to cook some, try to make how mom used to make. And I got inspired because I want to make these short videos really simple, maybe one pot meal for, but have the taste and the flavor and everything Odia. So please subscribe to this channel. You may also want to hit that bell icon so when I upload any new video, you'll get a notification. And support me, and also share this channel with your fellow Odias or non-Odias, doesn't matter. But spread the word, please. Thank you and stay tuned.